Good morning, guys. We're gonna restock my refrigerator and that's all we're gonna be doing today. Is restocking my refrigerator and restocking whatever that thing is called. I don't know why, but my character can't hold things. Never mind. Okay. Let me grab some paper towels so I can clean this part out. I do have some food right here. So let me eat that. And if you're wondering, I'm only restocking my fridge in my room. And the cart right there is because I already restocked my fridge downstairs like yesterday. This is so good. Oh, I left a little grease right there. And I'm just gonna throw that right there. Take this downstairs. If you guys could like my videos, that would be really great. You don't even have to do anything for real. You just gotta like them. Whose food is that right there? Just gonna throw it away. Ew, it's soggy. So cold outside, but it's so hot in here. But I guess that's how it is. And I'm on winter break. Finally, finally don't have to deal with finals and my SATs. But I do have to go to work, but I'm gonna wait, I forgot, I don't have work today because of my job. I was to get last winter break too. Hey, but let me see what I have in here. Oh, okay, so that's good. I have that, and my box of candy that my boyfriend got. Yay! Let me throw this box out. It's so cold. Just throw that away. I'm still a little cold. That's okay. Okay. I don't really want to change out of these clothes because they're so comfy. These are so comfy, but I have to. Do I have anything in here? Oh yeah, I do. My airport tickets. I think I'm about to sneeze. I think I might be sick. But that's okay. You really find it garbage. So while I'm at the store, I could probably find an indoor garbage or something. But I'm gonna change my outfit. I really like this outfit. It's okay, I guess. But hold on, let me see. What should I bring? I should bring this because I'm really not about to do anything. So grabbing that. And oh, the train's here. Get on the train. Ugh. Okay, I'm finally here. Put this. Let me grab this. I do want some oranges, so let's grab some 2 oranges and some strawberries and some apples. Ooh, I should get dinner. Okay, I'm gonna get my things full. Put that in there. Grab. Oh no, the pizza can't fit. Well, actually, I don't think he wants pizza. So let me put that back down and give that to her. But what? Oh, let me grab some jelly. Jelly and some cereal. I'll get some orange juice for my refrigerator because my inside refrigerator is like really it doesn't have any type of drinks in it, so let me grab that I think I have ketchup at home. I don't know. Don't. No. But I should get some pineapple. And for my refrigerator, I think that's it for my refrigerator. But I feel like I'm forgetting something like that I need from here. It's not more cups, and I know it's for my room or something, or like school. Oh, that's right, a new tablet. Wait, hold on, before I take it. Computer. Before I take it, how much is this? Oh no, I can't grab that because it's too much money. Hope. Oh, I have to stop at the ATM and grab some money. Beep boop, beep up, beep. Okay, that's 2 20s. That should be enough. Okay, since if that's 2 20s, I have 40. Okay. Another customer and another day of work. Like, oh my gosh, I really don't want to do this work right now. Now, why did my boss have to clock me in? Although I'm not supposed to be here. I'm supposed to be like on break or something, and I don't really want to be here. And like, what? I'm sorry that you had to clock into work. Like, I didn't mean for you to clock into work, I guess. That's like what everybody keeps saying, but like, really, y'all just can't like order stuff because you're like, oh, going to the store is like way cheaper. Like, really know what it isn't. So I feel like you guys should start ordering some more like stuff, so I don't have to keep coming into work on my day off. Like, oh my gosh. this stuff. Let me see what you have. Oh my gosh, bro. Let me see what you have. You just threw that bag away. I know, I don't care. It's just gonna like reappear anyways. Because I have to fish it out the garbage can later. Oh, okay. Hey, how much is this stuff? Let me see. Oranges, okay. That's gonna be $40. $40? $40? Really? That's crazy. Last time I came here, it was $20, not $40 for, and I got the same stuff that I did last time. So why is it $40 instead of $20? I thought I would have some leftover cash. Oh my gosh, bro, are you gonna give me the money or not? You could just get more money from the ATM here. Yeah, I guess so. Here's some money. Ma'am? What? These are only 10s. You only handed me $20. I did? That's impossible. I swore those were 20s. Unless, yeah, we only give out 10s. Last time I came here, you guys gave out 20s. New policy because people are just doing random stuff so to make them get their monies. So it's only 10 now. Hold on, let me go back to the ATM and see. I can't believe I have to do this. Let me see. Just need to get 2 10s and I'll make 40 and I'll be okay. But I need extra money to get left over. To be left over. Like, here you go. That's 30. Here you go. Thanks, I guess. Let me go back to the ATM. Get my more of my money out just because you guys can't do your job. Whatever. At least I got my money. I think this should be like $40 or so. All aboard! The train stops at the supermarket. Let me get in. So sorry guys, my thing like cut out, so I need to retry, I guess. I'm here. I wonder what he said he wanted again. I quite don't remember. Let's go this way. I should stop and get some TV. Hey, how much is this? I'll be blah 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 blah. And how much is that? $20, ma'am. $20? I'll go find something cheaper, I guess. How much is this? This is $1, blah blah. $1, I'm sorry. Can I just get it for 10? No, $1. I just screw up. This was it's prepaid. Oh, yeah, I'll take that one. There you go. Bro, give her the food. No! Do you give me thanks? Oh, what is this? Let me see. I do want to restock with like some snack food for my refrigerator. I'll get a I'm gonna get a quesadilla. Boy, I told you we don't have quesadillas. Yes, you guys do. I want my quesadilla. Because quesadillas are so nice. Boy, listen here. We don't got quesadillas. We don't got chicken. We don't got Chick-fil-A. We even sell your mama, and your mama counts us a 3-piece quarter pounder Big Mac, low Mac, sushi, dinner rolls, and all. So, scram. Let's sandwich. Hello, baby. Are you feeling good too? I'll take you in. Oh, hello. No! Oh, dearie, I really love your hair. Thanks, but why are you yelling at that boy? Oh, that little scoundrel. He always comes up here and asks for a quesadilla. And honey, we don't have quesadillas. Well, what would you like? Oh, yeah. But can I have a blueberry cupcake and a cherry cupcake with one blue donut and 2 vanillas and yep, that's it. Oh, okay, dearie. Just gotta package that up. How many did you say? 2 cherries? Oh, no, just one cherry, 1 blueberry. Well, since you're very nice, I'll give you 2 cherries. Oh, thank you. Oh, you're welcome. There's a bag right there for you. And bless your heart, you just seem so sweet. You got a boyfriend? Yes, I do, actually. Oh, he must be the luckiest guy in the world. Oh, thank you. Oh, and grandbaby. Yes. If you ever meet that little boy that I was just talking about, don't tell him anything. Because we don't got no quesadillas for him. Oh, yeah. I think my bus is here. Hey ma'am, can you hold that? Oh yes, I can. Yeah. That's weird. My front door was unlocked. And whose stuff is that? But babe, you're home. I didn't think you were gonna be here because you told me that you aren't gonna be able to come because you still had work and you were out. Okay, and you were going to your parents' house for spring break. So winter break. So you wasn't gonna be able to come. I lied so I can come see you. Oh yay! But come on, let me put this stuff up. Okay, I'll do as you wish. So what have you been up to? Nothing much. Just like work and stuff, and that's like about it. Work? What type of work? I haven't had work today, but I did go shopping with my credit card or yours. Maybe with yours. You look such like a dork when you smile. Really? Yeah, but it's cute. Oh, dang it, I forgot to get stuff for the cart. But, okay. Oh, I got you some food. I was gonna drive over to your house when I was done to get you food, but since you're here. Oh, someone just called you on your phone. Oh, who was it? Someone named Haley. She's probably calling me about how I have to go to why am I not at work, and if I'm gonna be at work tomorrow. Oh, yeah. But I got some food. You got, so you basically just got snack food? Yes, I did. You got a problem with me getting snack food? No, I love when you get snack food. Why? Because you don't have to give me any food? No, I get you food when you want me to get you food. I mean, that's true. But you should give me food also when I don't have food. Okay, understood. But I have an important question. Yep, what is that? After like high school and everything, after like college and everything, I think, would you like marry me? What? Yeah, of course I would. No, okay. But that's really good. Let me have a taste. Okay. That is good. Here, finish it because I'm not really hungry. Okay. I'm so good. Yeah. But it's getting a little dark. Oh yeah, it is. But let's watch TV. I really like this documentary. Not as much you like me, right? Yeah.